Hi, this is a really quick video on how to inflate the Nickelodeon inflatable tubes with sand water valve. First off, the valve on the bottom here, the round one, this is for water only. Do not put air in here. This valve here is for air only. Do not put water in this valve. Make sure you know. Air, water. You will need an inflator and a water source. If you do not have a water source, you can also use sand to put into the bottom of these, but it's much harder. You will need a funnel to do that. We're just going to show you how to do water today. When using this inflator, make sure that the hose extension goes onto the air outlet. This also has an air inlet, so you can deflate the balloons quickly, but right now we're going to use it for the outlet. Okay, so I'm going to put some air into the tube. You don't want to fill it up all the way, and make sure when you do fill these up with air that they are not over inflated, because they can burst. These are sealed inflatables. We're going to fill this up about 3/4 to 80% of the way before we put the water in. When filling the water valve, you don't need to put more than half of the tank full. It will sit flat. You'll get a feel for it once you do 1 or 2. I do not recommend filling this totally full. Now the water base filled by about 75%, and we're just going to put the water cap on right now. Once we do that, we're going to fill the rest of the balloon with air. We're going to finish filling the tube with air. Okay, so I've finished filling the balloon, and this is about, I would say, 3/4 full, which is probably plenty. And I'm putting my thumb over the hole so the air doesn't escape, putting the cap in, pushing it in, make sure it's tight. You can also fill it by pulling this small piece out, but the hole is too small. As you can see, we now have a freestanding sealed inflatable tube.